What's up, everyone? Today we're talking about making money while you sleep. Investing isn't just for Wall Street pros. You can start with your phone and a few bucks. Forget the boring financial reports. Investing can be simple and even fun with the right apps. Even small amounts now can grow into something huge for your future. I'll break down the top 3 apps that make investing easy for beginners. Ready to turn your phone into a money-making machine? Let's dive right in. First up, Robinhood. It's a name that's become synonymous with accessible investing. The app that truly made commission-free trading the norm, changing the landscape for retail investors. It ushered in an era where trading stocks didn't require hefty fees eating into your potential profits. Before Robinhood, the world of investing felt very different. Buying stocks meant paying fees every single time you executed a trade, whether buying or selling. These fees could really add up, especially if you were trading frequently or with smaller amounts of money. Now, every dollar you invest, every single cent, goes straight to your portfolio, working for you without being diminished by transaction costs. The app's clean, intuitive design is one of its biggest strengths. It makes investing feel less intimidating and more like a game, not a chore. It's engaging and easy to understand, even for complete beginners. You can buy stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, expanding your investment options, all in one place, making it a convenient hub for managing your investments. Fractional shares let you invest, even if you don't have enough to buy a whole share, in big companies like Amazon or Google or any other high-priced stock. With just $1, opening up opportunities that were previously out of reach for many. No finance degree needed, no complicated jargon to decipher. Just search for the stock you want, choose the amount, and swipe to trade. Track your investments. See how they're performing over time. With simple, colorful graphs that make it easy to understand your portfolio's performance at a glance. Create watch lists to keep an eye on stocks you're interested in. And get real-time updates so you're always informed about the latest market movements. Robinhood is perfect for beginners, for those who are curious about investing but don't know where to start. Who want a simple, accessible way, a user-friendly platform that doesn't overwhelm them with complexity, to start investing and building their financial future. Commission-free trades, eliminating those pesky fees. A user-friendly interface, making navigation a breeze. And fractional shares, allowing you to invest in companies regardless of their share price. Make it easy to build, even with a small starting amount. A diverse portfolio, spreading your risk across different assets. If you want to start investing and take control of your financial future, with zero hassle and a platform that's designed for simplicity, Robinhood is a great place to begin your investment journey. Download the app, sign up for an account, and you're in the market, ready to start investing. It's that simple and that accessible. Next up, we have Acorns. It's a platform designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background or prior experience. Acorns is perfect if you think, I don't even know where to begin with investing. It simplifies the process and guides you along the way. It's also great if you think you don't have extra money to invest. Many people believe they need large sums of money to start investing, but Acorns proves that's not the case. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar. Then it invests the spare change automatically, turning those small amounts into potential long-term gains. It's like finding money you didn't even know you had. For example, let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns invests the extra 50 cents, the difference between your purchase and the next whole dollar. These small amounts add up fast, especially over time. The power of compounding can turn those seemingly insignificant contributions into a substantial nest egg. This process builds your portfolio in the background without requiring constant monitoring or active management. No need to pick stocks yourself. You don't have to be a financial expert to get started. Acorns recommends a diversified portfolio, spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. This recommendation is based on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. It's set it and forget it investing, perfect for those who want a hands-off approach. This makes it ideal for anyone who struggles to save or doesn't have the time to actively manage their investments. You can also set up recurring deposits to supplement the roundups. This allows you to grow your investments faster and reach your financial goals sooner. Acorns uses dollar cost averaging, a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This is a proven strategy for long-term growth, as it helps to reduce the impact of market volatility. They offer retirement accounts, allowing you to save for your future in a tax-advantaged way. And they even have kids accounts too, so you can start building wealth for the next generation. This makes it a full financial wellness system, covering all your investment needs in one place. No extensive research or strict discipline required. All you have to do is link your card to the app. Then, just let Acorns do the work of rounding up your purchases and investing the difference. So, if you want to invest effortlessly and build wealth over time, Acorns is definitely your go-to app. It's a simple, effective way to start investing, no matter your experience level. Remember, small, consistent actions today can lead to big results tomorrow. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the same is true for investing. So, start growing your money, even if it's just a few cents at a time. You can do it without even thinking about it, thanks to the power of automated investing with Acorns. Finally, let's talk about Webull. This platform has emerged as a strong contender in the online brokerage space, offering a compelling suite of tools and resources for investors of all levels. It's a great choice for those who are ready to level up their investing game and delve into more sophisticated strategies. Webull provides a robust environment for both beginners and experienced traders alike. Like Robinhood, Webull offers commission-free trading, which significantly lowers the barrier to entry for new investors. This allows you to execute trades without incurring extra costs, maximizing your potential returns. But Webull goes a step further by providing more advanced tools and in-depth market data. You'll have access to real-time quotes, comprehensive charting capabilities, and a wealth of analytical resources to inform your trading decisions. And here's a great incentive: sign up and get free stocks. This is a fantastic way to kickstart your investment journey with a little extra capital. It's an instant boost to your portfolio, giving you a head start in building your investment holdings. These free stocks can be a stepping stone to achieving your financial goals. Webull's powerful charting tools and advanced analytics empower you to make more informed decisions. You can analyze historical data, identify trends, and gain valuable insights into market movements. These resources help you make smarter decisions as you learn the intricacies of the stock market. The more you understand, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of investing. And to hone your skills without risking real money, practice with paper trading. This feature allows you to simulate real-world trading scenarios. You can use virtual money to test different strategies and refine your approach in a risk-free environment. It's an invaluable tool for building confidence and developing a solid trading foundation. The desktop platform seamlessly syncs with your phone, ensuring you have access to your portfolio and trading tools wherever you go. This provides a seamless and consistent experience. Whether you're at your desk or on the move, you can stay connected to the market and manage your investments with ease. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn the ropes of investing and gradually expand their knowledge. The platform offers a wealth of educational resources to guide you along the way. And as you gain experience, you can grow into more advanced investing strategies and techniques. Webull provides the tools and resources you need to evolve as an investor. Free stocks, advanced tools, and a risk-free simulator make Webull a powerhouse for both novice and experienced traders. It's a comprehensive platform designed to empower you on your investment journey. Start simple, with basic buy and sell orders. Then dive deeper into more complex charts and analysis as your confidence grows and your understanding of the market deepens. Webull grows with you, adapting to your evolving needs and skill level as you progress. It's designed to support you from your very first trade to mastering the intricacies of the market. Webull is a partner in your financial growth. Download the app today, claim your free stocks, and take some time to explore the extensive features that Webull has to offer. Discover the tools and resources that can help you achieve your financial goals. If you're someone who prefers to learn by doing and actively engaging with the market, then Webull is undoubtedly the app for you. It provides a hands-on learning experience that can accelerate your understanding of investing. It's time to take your investing to the next level with Webull's powerful platform and comprehensive resources. There you have it, a glimpse into the world of accessible investing. These are 3 apps that truly make investing easy and approachable for everyone, no matter your background. Robinhood, known for its simplicity, Acorns, designed for effortless saving and growth, and Webull, perfect for learning the ropes and expanding your investment knowledge. You really don't need a lot of money to start investing. Just take that crucial first step and dive in. The sooner you begin your investment journey, the greater the potential for your money to grow exponentially over time. Download your favorite app from the App Store and start actively building your secure financial future today. Subscribe to our channel for more invaluable tips. and I'll be seeing you in the next insightful video.